Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous Z28. Got the owner here is going to tell us a little bit about him. How are we doing today?
Very good.
Man, what a gorgeous car, man.
Thank you.
I rarely see them this original. I really don't. So tell us a little bit about him.
The car started out in Pennsylvania, was ordered by the original owner for the purpose of drag racing. He ordered it without a radio, without console. It was manual steering. It's been converted to power steering. The car has 23,400 miles on it. It's been garaged its whole life. The motor has been bored and stroked, 383 stroker kit, aluminum heads. It is a not original transmission, but
Super T10, right?
Super T10, Borg Warner. The rest of the car is amazingly original. There's one repaint in 2016 on totally rust-free and dent-free body. It was actually someone damaged the car, keyed it in the parking lot, and I had to get it resprayed. I have documentation of the car being taken down to bare metal through the whole paint process.
And finished in its original color.
Original color.
Oh, 200 miles on the paint, right?
Probably, yeah.
Jeez.
200 miles on the paint. 6,000 miles on the rebuild that I had done. I have receipts and specs for the rebuild. I have receipts for the paint and documentation of the paint. Owner's manual, a bunch of documentation, protector plate. Mileage documentation approved the car has 23,400 miles between the title from Pennsylvania and work receipts. Everything is documented to show the mileage. Original spare in the trunk. Like I said, original interior, original glass, original chrome, original trim, original emblems, original rear, original suspension, original brakes.
It's original motor, but we can't prove it, right?
Right.
Or can we? I mean, you're in touch with the
codes. You have codes that show it's the right motor.
Yeah.
But it could be a replacement, which is not. Obviously, that wouldn't have happened, but
yeah,
that's how you have to, that's being honest.
And we have original owner's information too.
Yes, original owner
which will
has contacted me, and he can be reached at any time.
Sure.
And the previous owner that I bought it from, who was the third owner.
Wow. Really cool. Some recent work done too. New gas tank, right?
Gas tank. When I had the motor done, new radiator, new exhaust, and
added power steering.
Power steering was done before I got it. The owner I purchased from with the power.
Man, super straight body. Gosh. Great color too.
Yeah, my Camaro was gold. And when you're looking for a car as rare as this, you kind of got to settle for any color if the car's right. Unfortunately, it was one I liked.
Sure. How long did it take you to find it originally?
3 years.
Wow.
All over I was paying people to survey cars out of state, which is expensive.
Absolutely.
Like $700 a pop and this and that.
Yeah.
And there's so much bullshit out there.
Yeah.
I saw this car on Cars Online, contacted a close friend who's a Camaro guy and kind of a hot rod guy. I'm not that.
He's hardcore though.
Yeah.
He looked it over.
So I took this guy with me, but so when I walked in the garage, I fell in love with him. And my buddy went out there and over. This is Billy. This is the one you've been looking for.
Yeah. And right around the corner from you too. Imagine that.
Well, it's funny, when I was coming here, basically right off the Wading River Road.
Yeah.
Holy shit. It's almost coming home.
Wow. Beautiful. Original emblems, original glass, original trim. Obviously the wheels are original. Just don't see them like this. Interior's all original.
The only thing that's not in the interior original is I broke one of the cranks. I had to replace them with aftermarket.
Wow.
Other than that, that's it.
Wow. It really attests to the true miles on the car, you know. You pop the hood. Snowflake on the manifold. Headman headers. Those are dart heads?
Dart heads, yes.
Aluminum heads.
Headman headers.
There's your cowl tag.
Original
Z28 right on there.
I had the carb changed.
And L
Guy
right
Long
here.
Island, J8 Performance, did the motor. He's real known for...
L in the VIN is Z28. Oh, he's great.
Yeah, J8.
Very talented guy.
The guys from my jail using Power Rush, they sent me to him. I told him I wanted some streetable, pump gas, that runs good. I never race it. You can't get any traction with these tires even if you want. It's ridiculous.
I know.
You know.
Just regular points and condensers still. Beautiful. Let's fire it up. Little lumpy, not too crazy.
No,
very streetable.
Really nice surprise. Like, you go,
Sure. Love it. Everything works too, except for the clock. That's right, twice a day. 23,657 miles. Amazing. Also added stereo in here. It's got USB, remote, and iPhone ready. It's the iPhone hookup. Nicely hidden. Super T10. You can even see the pedals here. Original. Very cool. And also the glass and gauges. Very clear. With age they start to get real hazy. Beautiful back seat. Doesn't look like it's ever been sat in. Obviously original seatbelts. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to call us. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. It's webeautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot. And thank you for showing us your car. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Appreciate it.